Um, Here is the complete overview of my application. So we can see here header, after header section, product, and then these are the offers the features of our applications: 7 days exchange policy, 24/7 customer care, discount offer, unique products. That are the features of this application. Then the product detail description and pricing, and then some cards for better user interface, and then the new arriving section and future footer. This is a front-end application which I made with CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. So here you can see we have a logo, name of the brand, then search bar, and then the offer that ends in section. So here user can see that offer is ending in this many days, hours, minutes, and seconds. We have multiple options for navigation. Here we can see on head, neckband, earbuds, wired. So if user wants to check other options as well, he can check those. This is created for a seamless user interface. And if user is liking this product and he wants to buy it, if you click on this buy now option, we are taking him to the product section where all the pricing details and description available. Here we can see we can also user can also change the color of the product. So here it's gray and red. If he wants, he can also click on place order, and a form will be opened for him to place the order. And then this is with all the products. I will show the other demo as well. So if user click on neckband and he wants to buy this product, so we are again taking him to the product page, and here also he can choose change the colors of his choice and again place an order. So this is how this application works. And then these are the cards for better user interface for a landing page. And then here is a section of new available products that are arriving on our platform, on our application. So, and we can see a nice footer which is necessary for any application. Here all the we can give all the necessary information, links to navigate user to the appropriate uh, link. And then if again you from here, if again user wants to go to the header section, he can click on choose your brand and go to the header section. So this is a front end application that I have made.